How to install Zorin OS on a Mac. This video will serve as your instruction guide on how to install Zorin OS on a Mac. So to install Zorin OS on a Mac is that you need to have several requirements such as your CPU must have a dual-core 64-bit, you must also have 2 GB RAM and storage of 10 GB free space. Also, your display must be 800 by 600 resolutions. For our installation step is download Zorin OS 17. Obtain the ISO from the official Zorin OS website. Boot from USB. You can also restart your computer and boot from the USB drive. Start installation. It is to select or try to install Zorin OS and then choose Install Zorin OS. Keyboard layout is to choose your preferred keyboard layout. Then updates and software. You should decide whether to download updates and third-party softwares during installation. For the installation type, you should erase disk for a fresh installation or something else. You need to have custom partitioning, which involves boot, home, or swap. User setup is just to enter your name, computer name, username, and password and such. For the installation process, you just need to wait for the installation to complete, and after installation, restart your computer and remove the USB drive. And that is all on how to install Zorin OS on a Mac.